Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on my garden. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my garden is a small, peaceful space behind my house. Second line is, it is filled with vibrant flowers in various colors such as roses and hibiscus. Third line is, I take pride in growing my own vegetables. Fourth line is, there is a cozy sitting area in the corner where I can relax and enjoy the beauty of my garden. Fifth line is, I water my plants regularly and make sure they receive enough sunlight to thrive. Next line is, butterflies and bees often visit my garden, adding a touch of nature's charm. Seventh line is, I love the scent of fresh herbs like basil and mint that I grow along the edges of the garden. Eighth line is, birds chirp merrily in the trees nearby. Ninth line is, my garden is a heaven for me where I can escape from the busy world. Last line, that is line number 10 is, I enjoy spending time in my garden.